How did these things get here? Huh, I wonder what that is. Interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment I've been waiting for. This is a box of stuff from my beautiful, wonderful friend Richard, about whom I've been thinking for days. Thank you, Richard. This is, just so you know, you can't know this, but this weighs approximately 650 kilos. This must have been a pretty penny to send, and that is not lost on me, and I am so appreciative. So my beautiful assistant, Katie Brown. So in a weird turn of events, I opened this box and got all insanely crazy about this and said thank you and opened the package and everything. And all of a sudden, Ryan went to go film the cat, because that's what you do. And we realized and it wasn't filming. So I did all that emotioning. Richard, I don't know how. I don't process things. I process excitement, but I don't process this. This is not processable, is not a word. Does everybody see that this is a full bottle of Girl of Now Shine? Does everybody, I had to open this. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna have to just say the words that I said before when I was unboxing or opening the thing, is that I don't know how to say the right words. Thank you to Ryan Graham, who's filming this ridiculous. Richard, okay, I'm not even going to talk anymore. I'm going to unbox this, put some music on, and I probably will just cry a little, just a little bit. Thank you. Just a little bit. Are you seeing this? Just the weight of the box. I was saying it weighs about 300 I said kilograms, but I wasn't as excited as it was 300 kilometers. It weighs 300 kilometers. Okay, I'll just unbox and as my mother says, Yuli, shut up. I will shut up. I'm shaking. I'm literally shaking because can you see this? Thank you so much for filming this one.
This is all going to be
I can't actually I'm so loud. I can't actually process what's happening right now. I'm shaking. I can, when I'm editing, I can do that. I don't, what is happening? This is the Zara Emotions. I've always wanted to try a Zara perfume. We don't have a Zara anywhere near us. This one I had in my cart once. Do I sound crazy, baby? I can't. What is this? Vetiver Pamplemousse. Pamplemousse. I can't, I need to smell that right now. Oh my God. It's very pamplemousse, and I love grapefruit. Okay. Do I need a bit of a, what on earth is this? What is this? Okay. Richard sent me a list of what, I can't handle this. Richard sent me a list of what he was sending, and when he said Mariah Carey, I couldn't believe it. One time, way back in the day, my mother gave me some money, and she said, Yuli, go buy yourself something nice, because I was in university and I spent all my money on cigarettes and booze, as one does. And she said, Yuli, go buy yourself something nice. That parfum you said with Mariah Carey with the butterfly. My mother loves butterflies. I can't, because I never did go buy the perfume my mother gave me money for. I bought cigarettes and booze. I'm just looking at Ryan. I cannot formulate a response. So just, what is this now? What is this? Why does this say Andy Warhol? You're in 100 mils. Why is this still in a box? how is this still in a box? I'm making videos for years. What is this? I'm in. That's what he said. I can't process any of this. This is a tiny little Dior Sauvage for Ryan because Richard included things for Ryan. And you have no idea how much I love this. This I love. I'll put it in the, is it in the frame? It is. Look at how beautiful. Okay. I don't feel like I'm being thankful enough. Is that Zoology Chameleon? Zoologist? What is happening right now? Where are these coming from? I know that there's a whole nother thing here, but I've always wanted to try Zoologist. I'm actually shaking. Burberry Body. What is this? What is this? What is this? Missoni. These are samples. These samples. He goes, I threw in random samples. These aren't random samples. This is Zoologist, for goodness sake. What? Versace Eros Flame. Joe Malone. Who can read these things?
I can with my new transition lenses.
Oh my god. Miss Dior Bloomy Bouquet. I love this. A million. What are these? What are these? No. No. No.
Yes.
I can't do this. I've always, there's no way. There's no way that there's a Nishane Zen sample in here. There's no way. Okay? So what's happening right now is Ryan's gonna pinch me and I'm gonna wake up. Okay, that wasn't a pinch, but you can see that I'm old and that look at that. What the hell? This is, I'm shaking. Do you see this? I haven't even opened this. Oh my God. What? I don't have any more words. I didn't have any words. Insert words that demonstrate gratitude here. This is a Sarah Baker Discovery Kit. The whole thing. I don't,
Are you tearing up?
No, I'm not tearing up. Thank you. Okay, I don't know what this is, but these are, oh, is this more of the Zara? I can't.
They're wrapping them.
This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Richard and Travis. And Travis is the person who did this. I can't. These are full, you guys. I've now tripled my collection.
You need a new stamp.
Fleur de patchouli. I need to smell this. I need to smell this right now. I need to sit down.
Fleur de Yuli.
I need to sit down. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I'm dying. See, I'm dying. See, now I thought, you guys, that this was for the packaging. Are you ready for this? Because I am not ready for this. This is a Derek Lamb 10 Crosby Discovery set with everything in it. I feel like I had to drop it. I feel like I'm on The Price is Right and I just won both showcases. Okay, Richard, I'm not wearing any makeup. I just got out of bed. And I'm not gonna cry because I can't process stuff like this. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to act. I don't think I'm doing this right at all. And I can't figure out what to say. I am grateful and completely overwhelmed. Like 100% never been I've been to Paradise, but I've never been to Derek Lamb. Thank you.
Never been.
Thank you, Kathy Brown.
Mhm.
I'm just gonna stop this video. I'm gonna edit it and I'm gonna send it out, but I don't know what to say. Thank you, Richard. I'm not. Thank you, Kitty. I love you. I really hope you're feeling better. Oh, hang on one sec. You don't want to show everybody the dirty house. Thank you. Thank you. I hope that you're feeling better. I know that you're going to feel better. I'm sending so much love and just thank you. So Ryan's just gonna take the thing and go over and show you our cat who is sleeping, and because we know she says thank you, Uncle Richard.